Obuyaba nagambaho n'abebembezi b'abantu ba burijo Alexia Guest Center Nyakabura Fotopoto orukurre byo bururu Daniel Baguma Rogers yagira ngo kwibo bururu hamwe no kugura abantu tebere kwicerezebwa na mnonga omumatega gebyo kutera bururu bya Uganda.
The politicians abana bakwenda komebwa balekera okuserura sente instead. Of course bakwenda sente abo okusasura abana bakujja bayambaho kurolera ka bururu nkaba agents nabaki bati bine byo government nyina sente njagura akaru commission tibiriyo commission ichi kitugenda nakyo nikakaru kuruga hansi polling station oireyo bururu bwingaha then the highest atungire obukusinga iguru ogunutugena nawe atari
Baguma yayenjere yagirangwa abebembezi nabatasente mu karuru omukugura bururu kandi bebwa korra abantu babo ngo bakaba baraganise.
They have their money and all cost they want to either to enter parliament or enter the council. Doesn't mind of people's no rights and opinions. So at all costs, so long as one has money.
Ogu ayongire yayihanangisiriza abembezi bona okureba ngo bayitantaro kuryenguzi ogura abatezi bo bururu kandi ogu yabahabura ngo orakwato wena naija kushazibwamu.
Voter bribery is it is punishable. So kasinga bakukwata nogaba oba nogura mutezi wa karuru bono muhasente kwa karuru iteka likukwata na bwekyo kasinga na nyungu gwawo kurungi no turukya sente kandi normally tukendaga muno mukoti abantu baine evidence na photocopyinga na sente tinanga bakamurra nakora kinagaba sente. So era butugenda mukoti abantu nkabo musange basingaga and they usually pay high.
Bamumbayita bo mushomogu nabo bahaye bitekateko byabo aha bururu.
In 2005, the term limit, which was the number one transition policy, was removed. Of course, there were other laws. So this removal of term limits, because when we look at our neighbors like Kenya and Tanzania, they are using the term limits effectively to transfer power. We have seen over 4 presidents for Kenya since 1986.
Supposed to be in 10 years, I quit and others come. Because they're not in a process of leadership.
Umuringo nugumwe abembeza bari omushomono gugumwe nabasha abantu baburijo okureba ngo bakwatanisa nabo omukutera karuru kandi okutunga abembezo barungi abakuza kubaretera entunguka omustreka cyabo hamwe n'ihanga.
To ensure that we have peaceful election, transition, and how do we ensure that we have peaceful election transition? It is through our action. It is through our works, the way we do things. And most of the panelists have hinted on the salient issues, looking at the media, having the neutral media, responsible leaders.
About the entire nation, you are not talking about a tribe. You are talking about a nation. And holding the nation together, it means you must have bigger thinkers, bigger mindset. You must have the concern of seeing an actual develop and standard develop.
Umuringo ngugumwe Daniel Baguma Rogers orukurre byo bururu mu Fotopoto City yagamba hari ebyo ebirikuza kuraturwa omukarura karukuza kwija kandi ebyo umuntu ashemeye gukora omubiro bo bururu.
Yes, so kasinga bakwata no campaigninga kirekyo kandi obuko campaign to stake out za akaira ako bukaba kahoyire tubatakunira muntu we nakorachi kuranta campaign bora kusa campaigninga nebigambo akusa campaigninga no rugoye nusangula ajoira urugoye rwa candidate tikikwikiriza.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki abo Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Fotopoto.